Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make an art shape in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document, and then we can choose a preset. I will use it and keep this setting and create a new document. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can click and drag to choose rectangle tool and go to top option bar. Make sure that we select shape and click and drag to add the rectangle shape on Artbox. I will close the properties window and go to layers window. We can see that the rectangle shape layer is added. Next, we can select the shape layer and go to edit and go to transform path. We can find warp and then go to top option bar. We can go to choose the warp shape. For example, we can choose arc or arch. I will use arc. And then we can click and drag the balls to change the arch shape. Actually, we can go to the bending ratio to adjust it. And also we can type it. For example, I will use 40. And also we can change the horizontal distortion and vertical distortion. I will go back to 0%. If you are happy with this, we can press enter to apply it. So this is how we can make art shape in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.